ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें।
My respected teachers and my dear friends, a beautiful good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. I am Zeba Bano. My father name is Mr. Bashir Ahmad. I hail from Miss Wali. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today's special occasion, I would like to speak importance of education in our life. Learning is the best path towards a successful and happy life, as it is conducive to a better understanding of life, and all accurate knowledge can be used to fulfilling one's ambitions. An educated person will pursue a problem in the right way and offer educated solutions using the knowledge they have gained. Before finishing my topic, I would like to speak motivation lines. The education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Strive the progress, not perfection. The education is the key to unlock the freedom book, golden freedom doors. Now I would like to finish my speech. Thank you for listening to me.